Okay, let's try this one more time, guys. Welcome to the show. Thank you guys so much for all the support, each and every one of you. Truly appreciate it. The last one I recorded, this is a voiceover to show this beautiful guitar of my son-in-law's. This is the LTD ESP 401QM, and I think it's ocean turquoise, quilted maple top, maple neck. Fretboard is rosewood, mahogany body. Absolutely beautiful binding. Grover tuners, and he has his own DiMarzio Titans, and they actually sound pretty darn good. I might need a set for my guitars. Anyway, bear with me. There's a wire issue in the audio, so I'm redoing this, trying to keep it still. However, I am enjoying having a mic, so I'm not complaining. I'll just need to get a new cable, and a mount, and a spit filter. So aside from that, anyway, just wanted to make a brief introduction and speak to you about the guitar. Like I said, it's not mine. It is my son-in-law's. This is one of many that I will be reviewing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, this is a hardtail, string through and neck through. Absolutely beautiful color, and I didn't tune it because this is his guitar, and I did not change the strings, which I wanted to do. I'm just going to wait and let him do that. But anyway, I was getting a little ants in my pants. I wanted to check this thing out. I walk past it every day. Let me tell you something. It feels absolutely incredible. I really want one of these. It feels even better than my 103QM I had with the Floyd Rose. If this thing had a trim on it, it'd be totally killer. But I love it even as it is right now. So anyway, guys, I'm going to do some playing. And since this is a Super Strat, I tried to focus more on just some off-the-wall, unpolished, like metal kind of tones, and some clean. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this new series to the channel helps a little bit, gives you some entertainment. And with that, I'll let you go. Rue says hi, and whatever you do, stay beautiful and stay you. Peace.